Hello from South Beach and welcome to DSMC, Digital Social Marketing Consultant. So you got in the program, and this is just a little kind of opening introduction. I want you to understand the background, what you're gonna get, why you should be excited that you're in here. I moved to Florida, by the way, so thought I would shoot this video here from South Beach, Miami. Okay, here's the first thing I want you to understand. People don't realize about me, one of the first businesses I started when social media came around, it was not a social media marketing agency. It wasn't education programs that you see me doing now. I literally started a DSMC back around, I don't remember the exact date, but let's just call it 2010, okay? And I really ramped it up around 2012, 2013. I started testing it. So you're gonna be learning things that I've developed over the last 8-9 years, okay? And I remember my first client was a guy named James Swanwick. Now you may see him sometimes on my social media. I helped him start 2 multi-million-dollar businesses. Before, he had tried to start 6 businesses. None of them really got off the ground. He paid me $25,000 as a marketing consultant, and I really helped him. I've got a video. You may have seen some testimonials from him. So I want you to know this is a business that I've actually done. I also want to explain how this is different than my SMMA program. So with social media marketing agency, which by the way, you can do a digital social marketing consultancy and an SMMA, social media marketing agency. The difference is very simple. A social media marketing agency, you do the work for people. You run their Facebook ads, you help them post on social media, you help them come up with branding content. You actually do the work, and that's why people pay you. With being a digital social marketing consultant, you just give them the plan, you see? So in some ways, it's not as hard. It takes technical skill, but it doesn't necessarily take work, ongoing work, where you're running Facebook ads, optimizing their campaigns, generating social media. So just keep that in mind. That's why I started actually with a social marketing consultancy, because it was kind of a one-person operation. I could do it while I traveled, I could do it on the phone, and I was just getting paid for what was in my head. I didn't have to do work. Now, you will have to do work, but not ongoing work. Basically, it's very simple. You're gonna charge people to give them marketing plans. That's what a consultant does. There's big consulting companies out there, Accenture, McKinsey, and they charge for a plan. They basically look at the business, they look at the strengths, the weaknesses, and they come up with an action plan. That's what you're gonna learn to do over the next couple months with this course. And you can charge anywhere from $50 to $5,000 and beyond. You also can make money in addition to your planning fees. You can make money by referring the work, because remember, you give them a plan, now they got to do the work, and the business owner may not want to do the work. So you can refer them. I have an agency, and other agencies will give you a referral fee. So just for you referring your consultancy client, you can actually start to get extra revenue. And some of that revenue, depending on the level of client you bring, can be, between $2,000 and $25,000 just referral fee. So that's kind of cool. So as you go through this, I want you to really focus on learning, how do you generate a good quality plan for people, what software you can use, what you're gonna have to learn to do on your own that the software won't do. We're gonna talk about how to get your first customer. I'm gonna show you how to use low price entry points, not charging too much money to start getting customers, and then you can upgrade them later to more in-depth plans, okay? So leave a comment below. What got you excited about being in this digital social marketing consultancy program? What got you excited? And I want you to set a goal. How many days till you get your first paying client? Even if they're only a $50 client, set a goal, see if you can hit it. All right? Talk to you soon.